Hello, hi everyone, it's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Today, ladies, gents, I'm going to be talking about Atomy Balanced Life. A lot of you already know, if you've been following my videos and watching all my product demos, or at least some of them, we talk a lot about good organic healthcare supplements, beauty products, and personal lifestyle products, food, fashion. Okay, now I have talked about the Atomy Tea and the apple phenol jelly sticks. Those are the two weight loss products that Atomy make. Okay, now what I haven't talked about on this channel is Atomy Balanced Life. Okay, and I normally would encourage people, is a healthy snack for weight loss. Okay, healthy snack for weight loss. So I always encourage people to take the tea with the apple phenol jelly stick and supplement it also with this, so you have a complete all-round package. All right, because what I find out with people who are trying to lose weight is they take the tea, they take the apple phenol jelly stick, and they're on the road to losing weight and all that, and then they start eating junk food. They start taking in a lot of carbs, and so on and so forth, and sometimes they put back the weight. And when you put back the weight, or you don't lose the number of calories you're hoping to lose, you start blaming the product and say, oh, it's like the product doesn't work. It's not the product that does not work. You changed your diet. Okay, start eating more carbs, okay, and less exercise and wrong food and all that. There's so much a weight loss supplement can do for you, okay, if your eating habits is completely wrong. So what I tell people, okay, why not supplement your food with this? So when you're taking your tea, you're taking your apple phenol jelly stick, supplement it with this. Have this on the side, okay? I'm just gonna bring it out so you see exactly how it looks like. It's a healthy snack that goes with your weight loss routine, okay? Oh dear. Okay, that's it. We got that in the end. Okay, so they come in sachets like that, okay? This is a full meal, all right? And when I say a full meal, you're gonna see everything that is inside this amazing product, okay? When you take one like this, maybe in the morning, and then at night you take another one, maybe 2 sachets a day, okay? That should do it. This is a full meal, and it's got all the essential nutrients, okay, that a proper meal will give you, all right? Now look at this. It contains protein. I just want to tell you everything that this contains, this Atomy Balance, okay? Atomy Balanced Life contains protein, vitamins, and minerals that are commonly lacking in weight management. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, it has 15 kinds of grains and vegetables, okay, mixed with 11 kinds of grains and 4 kinds of vegetables. Plum juice powder and jujube extract powder are added to add flavor and nutrients. Do you see that? So the 11 kinds of domestic grains that have been added to this are, I'm just going to call them barley rice, non-glutinous rice, glutinous rice, brown rice, white soybean, sesame, peanut, black soybean, black rice, black sesame. These are the 11 domestic grains that have been added in this, in a percentage of 35.7%, okay? Now, 4 other kinds of vegetables have also been added to this domestic grains. And the 4 vegetables that have been added to these are tomato, broccoli, sweet pumpkin, and kale leaf, all right? So those 4 have been added to this 11 different types of domestic grains. No, tell me, is this not a complete healthy package for you? I mean, so this gives you all your proteins, your carbs, everything in the right quantity, right amount. That's why we call eat a meal. Okay, so I always encourage people who are taking our 𝒂𝒂, our apple phenol jelly stick, to also buy the Atomy balance. Okay, this will help you to keep the calories down, okay, at least until you get your desired weight. And then when you get your desired weight, you can say bye and stay healthy. All right, so it's just my little you know, I just got this delivered to me. This is mine because I'm also using it, you know, and I thought, oh, why not do a video just to show people how you can actually take this alongside your 𝒂𝒂 and your apple phenol jelly stick so you can get maximum results for your weight loss program. All right, so this is Atomy Balanced Life, and it costs just 24 pounds. It's not a lot, just 24 pounds. It's there's 30 sachets in it, so that's a month, a full month supply. Okay, if you take one a day, it's a full month supply. If you take 2 a day, then it's like a 2-week supply. But then the results are amazing. And for 24 pounds, you know, with all this rich food, I don't think it's too bad. Okay, so to get this Atomy Balanced Life, please click on the comment, my WhatsApp, connect with me on WhatsApp, okay? And this will be delivered right to your door, all right? Am I turning it the right way? Sorry. This will be delivered right to your door. So it's me, your lady again, not making this too long now, signing out again. Love you. And remember, God loves you.